Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amos Addae and I'm a facilitator at Nona Graceland School. I'm the IT facilitator. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about how to add a Bluetooth device to our PC. So if you want to connect a Bluetooth device to your PC so that you can transfer some information, we're going to learn about how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is to head to Settings. So I click on the Start, and then I go to Settings. And then when you are at Settings, you're going to head straight to Devices. Alright, so at Devices, you see here, Bluetooth and other devices. So make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Alright, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You see the bar here. Okay, if it's off, you're going to make sure it's on. Then you're going to click on Add Bluetooth or other devices. Then you select the kind of device you want to add. So a Bluetooth device. You can either add a Bluetooth device, a wireless display, or everything else. Alright, so I'm going to add a Bluetooth device. So when I click Add a Bluetooth device, so it says make sure your device is turned on and is coverable. Select the device below to connect. Alright, so if your device pops up here, meaning that you have actually turned on the Bluetooth on the other device. So let's say I have a phone and I want to connect my phone to my computer so that I can transfer some information either from the phone or to the computer. So I make sure that my Bluetooth is turned on my phone, and then I turn my Bluetooth on my computer, and then I click on other device. So the device will pop up here, and then when it pops up, you click on it and you click on pair, and then make sure you accept the code or the login credential that will be sent to your device. So your phone also receives some codes. These are the ones you see on the PC, and then you link them together. Unfortunately, I use an iPhone, so I'm unable to demonstrate that little aspect. But from here, you'll be able to take it off. Thank you so much for watching this short YouTube tutorial. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to actually transfer the files after you have connected or you've added your Bluetooth device to your PC so that you can, connect after you link them. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again another time. Bye.